Rape is the most heinous crime, but domestic violence is okay. I mean, both are non-consensual, all violence is non-consensual. So why is rape worthy of capital punishment and domestic violence? No, please stick with him. He'll be okay. He'll be fine.
Domestic violence is an everyday issue of a lot of women's life. Its cases since the beginning of the lockdown have been increasing at a very rapid rate. It can take a form of physical, sexual, psychological and emotional violence. It is the commonest threat posed to a lot of women.
So what can a victim do instead of feeling helpless at all the times? Do we have some legal provision to protect their interests? Yes, we have two legal provisions to protect their interests. So the first legal provision is Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. It is a civil law that protects women of household as well as the women living in live-in relationship from domestic violence. The second legal provision is Section 498A of Indian Penal Code that protects women from cruelty by her husband as well as husband's relatives.
40% महिलाएं हैं जो डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस से अफेक्टेड रहती हैं। औरतें पॉइजनिंग केसेस करके आती हैं, फ्रैक्चर केसेस आते हैं, वुंड्स रहते हैं, मुक्का मार जैसे चोट रहती है। प्रेग्नेंट महिलाएं भी आती हैं जो गिर गए बोलती हैं और जनरली ये डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस केसेस होते हैं।
Here are the steps that one may follow. First legal step would be to go to the police, seek help from the protection officer. These protection officers are appointed by the government in order to assist the victims of domestic violence. Second legal step would be to go and file a case in district court, family court or the magistrate's court.
So there are three more advices that can be taken into consideration. First, approach someone you trust. He can be your friend, a relative, a loved one or a spiritual teacher. The second thing, you can always contact to National Domestic Violence Hotline. Just know the number 1800-799-7233. The third one is try to reach your nearby hospital or doctor so that you can get your injuries treated and can get connected to the local resource.
This video was in collaboration with Cairo India.